Good morning, it's Richard Smith here. I'm doing this video outside, so hopefully you might even hear a blackbird singing or a bumblebee passing by. So very best wishes to you all at this really difficult time. So I'm just going to show you a little bit of coding that you can do with your children. It's all free and it's really educational. It works on an iPad or an Android tablet. So here I am on an iPad. So you go to the App Store and you search for Scratch JR, and you can see it on the top right hand side. So I've downloaded it, so I go to open and you get a little friendly cat. So click on the home button and then you can see there's lots of projects here I've done with students, but we're going to start a new one today. So you click on plus. Now what's really interesting for younger children is that there's a grid available, so I can move my cat into any position. So I'm just going to start it on the left hand side. So I'm going to start it on 2, 5. And what I've got near the bottom is some different tools that I can drag down, little icons. So when I click on the green flag, I want my cat to perhaps go 10 units. So you get a little calculator bottom right, and I'll click on 10. So now if I click on the green flag at the top, it goes 10. So 10 plus 2 is 12. And then I could make my cat go back 10. Click on the green flag. So up to 12 and back to 2. And then it gets excited because it's been for a little walk, so it jumps in the air. This is called a variable, so I'll make it jump 5 in the air. You can actually hear a pigeon now, so all seems to be going well. And then we could make that happen repeatedly. So what you then do is you could add a nice background. So I'll choose, I'm outside, so I'll choose an outside background. Click on the tick and then click on the green flag. So you've made your first little adventure with a cat jumping up and down using repeat and a variable, which was we changed from 1 to 5. Thanks for watching. I'm just going to save this actually, so I'll call it P1, Project 1, and then I can do another one later in the week. Thanks for watching.